Is this Alexander? Alexander? Coming home from daycare? What did you do at daycare today? What did you do? Hello. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Mommy's not here, though. No, you just say hello from the camera. What did you make today at daycare? Huh? What did you make today? Oh, did you make this? Did you make this? Did you make a hat? Did you make a hat? Oh, is that what you made? Oh, could you put it on your head? Oh, Thanksgiving Indian. Alexander Indian. Ooh. This is not PC. You gonna laugh? Did you make that with Amber? Yeah. Ooh. Okay, we'll take you out of the seat. We're gonna shut the camera off and then we're gonna come right back.